Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all have learned Hindi Varnamala, Swar and Vyanjan, where Swar means vowels and Vyanjan means consonants. Now in this video we are going to see Swar ki Matra. Matra is nothing but a quantity. It is also referred to as sign, which is attached to the consonant letter. And also these matras are also called the dependent forms of the vowels. First letter A doesn't have any matra, and A ki matra, E ki matra, E ki matra, U ki matra, U ki matra, Ri ki matra, A ki matra, I ki matra, O ki matra, Au ki matra, Aha. Friends, Hindi is no different. 12 vowels when put behind a Hindi consonant gives us 12 different sounds for each consonant. The word 12 translates to 12 in Hindi. Hence, what we are going to learn now is called Barakhadi. Now let us learn how to read and write the Swar ki Matra when they are combined with consonants. Starting with the first letter, I am writing Ka as it is. Ka plus A ki matra gives you Ka. Ka plus E ki matra is Ki. Ka plus E ki matra, badi ki matra, that is Ki. Ka plus U ki matra is Ku. Ka plus U ki matra is Ku. Ka plus Ri ki matra is Kri. Ka plus A ki matra is Ke. Ka plus I ki matra is Kai. Ka plus O ki matra is Ko. Ka plus Au ki matra is Kau. Ka plus is Kam. Ka plus Aha is Kaha. So here finally we have written the Barakhadi for letter K. Similarly, these vowel signs can be combined with remaining all other consonants starting from K and up to the letter H. So friends, after watching this video, practice reading and writing of Barakhadi for other consonants as well. And in the next video, I am going to teach you how to read and write words with 2 or more letters. Till then, stay tuned to my channel.